Welcome to Finance Investor Lab. As of March 2026, the conflict between the United States, Israel, and Iran has entered its third day. U.S. and Israeli strikes have killed Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, and Iran has launched counterattacks across the region, including on U.S. assets in the Gulf. This video is strictly educational and based on real current events. It is not financial advice. It is not a prediction of the future. War causes immense human suffering and economic damage and should always be avoided. Always do your own research and consult professionals before making any decisions. Let's go through the real situation step by step as it stands today. Step 1. Immediate market reaction. Oil prices have spiked sharply. Brent crude jumped as much as 13% in early trading, reaching $82 per barrel, a 14-month high. This happened because attacks have disrupted shipping near the Strait of Hormuz, which carries more than 20% of the world's oil supply. Analysts warn that if the strait remains closed for a longer period, oil could easily cross $100 per barrel. Gold, the classic safe haven, rose 2% to around $5,260 per ounce. The US dollar index strengthened slightly, while US stock futures fell less than 1%. Major banks like JP Morgan and Bank of America dropped around 1%. Bitcoin initially fell 2% to 7% after the strikes began, reaching as low as $63,000 before recovering to around $66,000, $67,000. Ethereum dropped 3% to 10%, trading near $4,900. Step 2. If the conflict continues, impact on crypto and Bitcoin. In the short term, crypto is behaving like a risk asset. When fear rises in the market, investors sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to move into cash or gold. If the fighting continues and oil prices keep rising, Brent crude jumped as much as 13% in early trading, reaching $82 per barrel, a 14-month high. We could see further downside pressure on Bitcoin. In the short term, crypto is behaving like a risk asset. When fear rises in the market, investors sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to move into cash or gold. If the fighting continues and oil prices keep rising, wallets could also face increased cyber attacks from both sides. Trading volumes have already become more volatile and liquidity can dry up quickly during such events. In the longer term, if sanctions on Iran become even stricter, some countries and individuals may increase their use of Bitcoin and crypto to move money outside traditional banking systems. Iran already had a $7.78 billion crypto economy in 2025 to bypass sanctions. However, if internet blackouts or stricter global regulations come, this could also hurt crypto adoption in the region. Iran already had a $778 billion crypto economy in 2025 to bypass sanctions. However, if internet blackouts or stricter global regulations come, this could also hurt crypto adoption in the region. Step 3. Impact on global business and economy. Businesses are already feeling the pressure. Shipping companies have started avoiding the Strait of Hormuz, which is pushing up freight costs dramatically. Airlines and manufacturers that depend on stable oil prices will see higher expenses, which usually get passed on to consumers. If the conflict drags on for weeks or months, we could see a 1970s-style energy shock, higher inflation, slower global growth, and possible recession signals. Small and medium businesses in energy, transport, and import-dependent sectors will be hit hardest. Large defense and energy companies may benefit, but the overall economy usually suffers in prolonged conflicts. China has already called for an immediate ceasefire and urged all sides to prevent the fighting from spreading further. This shows how quickly the situation can affect global trade and supply chains. Final thoughts. Right now, the situation is developing hour by hour. Markets hate uncertainty, and that is exactly what we are seeing. The most important thing for all of us is to stay calm, avoid emotional decisions, and focus on proper risk management. This video is for education only. War is tragic and brings loss to millions of people. Let's hope for a quick and peaceful resolution. If this analysis helped you understand the current situation better, please leave a like, comment below with your thoughts. What do you think will happen next? Subscribe for more clear, real-world finance updates. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and informed.